Hey guys, back again, and we are almost at the end of the sorry, I was checking my phone. At the end of the uh, series, we have this video and the last one, which is going to be the change to Yup. So what we need to do here is just to get all the information and push it to the database. So the console log data, or this data, is the form information. Okay, once we have everything clear inside the use form, that everything is validated and everything returns okay, then we can just continue with what we have here. So let's just remove that and let's just add this. I should have done this before, but just in case something happens, and I'm just going to add it, even if it's a 2 minutes video, I don't care. So let post, we're going to create a new object, and title, content, and cover are going to come from this data. Okay, so the data cover is going to be the this is the file list, and this is the first file on that file list. So here is where our class becomes useful. So we're going to call storage as from the property of the class and not the function of the firebase itself. So for this we need to set the storage child, which is going to be the name of the cover. Okay, so this is actually the name, not the file. Now in the next line we are actually going to use the file post cover. Remember that we have this in an object, so we access the property of that object using the that notation. But we still need to add something. So let's just grab the await. All this has been said before, how to use it. So I'm just going to copy and paste it and show you now how to add the stuff, or how it is being added to Firebase, and we will be done with that. So new promise, on the state change, we're going to set loading to the progress of the file upload from Firebase. We will get now, after everything is completed, the URL of the file itself, so we can pass that for the creation of a new post. We just grab this, paste it, add this and the other one, and that should be fine. We're going to say console.log post created successfully. We're going to show the post data that is going to return, which is actually not the post itself but the reference document, and this one is going to give us the ID. So what if we want to redirect the user to that post? Then we can use this post.id in order to set it. But what if we want to return the information right away here? We don't have a way to do it. Okay, so we will need to say post to make a new request in order to get the document data using this post that ID, which is set by default in this post. So that's the only thing that is going to return there, some Firebase information with the ID, but we cannot access the data here. Okay, that's something that so this one is then, let's say, catch error console log error. Okay, and that should be it. And we're going to say again get posts to return that, to make a new call like that. Because although you could make this, what the hell, can use keyword away. Okay, So this one is an async. Sorry, this one is an async. Okay. And I need here let d, since it's going to get it's going to handle or store the download URL. So all this is already been set in another tutorial about React and Firebase, so you can just check that. I'm just going to move a little faster so you can see how we can upload everything to Firestore. So that is all. And okay. Okay. So this actually should work now. Oh, but we need something else. Where do I have it? Okay, below the form. Okay. So we are showing the loading with which is going to be the upload progress. So we are going to show that, and this is going to be handled by is busy. So we can show the paragraph with allow the file, please wait, and the progress. Okay, save that and let's just take a look. So we don't care, let's say, so we can differentiate this. YouTube post. YouTube post and choose file. This one, open and submit, and you can see we got this and we receive the post. Okay, let's just go to Firebase and go to storage. Maybe it's this one. No. Yep. Okay, so that is the new one. So that is going to work, and we are getting this right away because we are running the get post, which is updating the post state. Okay, so that's why we're getting the new information, and you saw that it was it was seamless. We didn't see any change, any flicker, anything. It's just updating the state and then looping through all those and parsing the information. So I think that's all for this. Okay, so you can see that actually is what we added. That's why I changed the new post, YouTube post, and YouTube post. So as I said, let me just close this one. I think everything is done. So next week we're going to turn and change all this sorry guys, to what the hell, to Yup, so we can use a resolver and a schema in order to handle all this better. Sorry. That's all guys, and see you in the next one.